Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Ocean of Adornment sees in this way. The nature of all things has no resting place. The Buddha's appearance in the world is the same way. They have no resting place in any state of being. Supreme wisdom can contemplate the meaning of this. Whatever be the heart's desire of sentient beings, the Buddha's spiritual powers can manifest. Each different, they are inconceivable. This is Wisdom Banner's ocean of liberation. All lands existing in the past they can show in a single pour. This is the great spiritual power of the Buddhas. Delight in tranquility can expound this. The inexhaustible ocean of all teachings is assembled in the sanctuary of one teaching. Such is the nature of truth explained by the Buddhas. Eye of knowledge can understand this technique. In all lands, in all quarters, expounding the truth in each and every one, the Buddha's body has no coming or going. This is the realm of delight in use of intellect. The Buddha sees things of the worlds as like reflections of light. He enters into their most recondite mysteries and explains that the nature of all things is always quiescent. Intellect sown with virtue can see this. The Buddha knows all phenomena and reigns the reign of truth according to being's faculties in order to open the inconceivable gate of emancipation. Tranquil serenity can understand this. The world-honored one always, with great kindness and compassion, appears in order to benefit sentient beings, equally showering the rain of truth to the fill of their capacities. Pure light can expound this. Furthermore, the celestial king, repute of pure wisdom, found the door of liberation comprehending the ways and means of emancipation of all sentient beings. The celestial king, supreme vision, found the door of liberation, of shadow-like demonstration according to the wishes of all celestial beings. The celestial king, virtue of tranquility, found the door of liberation of great skill in means, adorning the realms of all Buddhas. The celestial king, sound of the polar mountain, found the door of liberation of following all sentient beings into the eternally flowing cycle of birth and death.